I'm Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today we're filming a slightly different episode of Thrive and Dine, presented by Kaiser Permanente. Joining me is Dr. Linda Shiue, Director of Culinary Medicine of Kaiser Permanente in San Francisco. Hi, Dr. Linda Shiue.
Hey, Mai, how are you?
I'm great. I wish we were back at Thrive City's farmers market shopping, but now I'm stuck at home like everyone else.
You know, while farmers market is definitely a lot of fun, we can do a lot with pantry goods, and I think it's a great thing to encourage people to cook healthfully and deliciously at home while they're doing the right thing and sheltering in place. Try to choose things with low sodium or no added salt to look at the nutrition facts to actually see how much sodium per serving there is. Rinse the beans under cold water. By doing so, you can reduce the sodium by 100 milligrams or so, which is really significant.
Wow.
Breakfast is rice and beans with a sunny side up egg. I used canned red beans that I rinsed off to remove some of the sodium, and I paired it with rice, which is another pantry staple. I topped with a sunny side egg and some jarred salsa for a spicy kick.
I have a lot of canned fish. Can you just touch on that and how we can make that a little bit healthier?
So the first thing I like to look for is wild caught. It's preferable in terms of sustainability. Then you can rinse it, same thing as with the beans, in a mesh strainer. You can reduce the sodium content by 80%, which is quite a bit.
Lunch is a simple tuna pasta salad. In a large bowl, I added cooked pasta, diced red onion, canned peas, canned tuna, vinegar, olive oil, and black pepper. With a light garnish of parsley, I'm ready to dig in.
What can we add for flavor if we're taking some of that sodium out?
So you can actually grow fresh herbs either inside on your windowsill or a pot of soil outside. Aromatics like onions or garlic. Spices are a great way to kind of change up.
What about tomatoes?
Canned tomatoes. These are ready to add into anything. They add a lot of flavor. They add a lot of umami.
For dinner, I made Mexican pizza. I warmed a tortilla in a large pan, topped with cheese, and added another layer of tortilla. While that is heating up, spread salsa and add more cheese, canned black beans, canned corn, diced avocado, and a sprinkle of cilantro. It's a meal the kids were very excited to dig into.
Thank you, Dr. Linda Shiue, for helping me stay safe and healthy at home. All these tips were so amazing, and I hope you stay safe at home.
Same to you, Mai.
With the healthy tips from Dr. Linda Shiue, I was able to come up with a full day of recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I hope these recipes inspired you to keep on cooking healthy meals while at home. And once again, thank you to Kaiser Permanente and Dr. Linda Shiue for partnering with me on this episode of Thrive and Dine and helping keep residents of the Bay Area and beyond thriving.